Dear student, exercise 3.10 we are going to solve the remaining problems. Question number 7 to 16, maybe 5-10 problems remaining. We are applying the properties of triangles. Repeatedly, most of the problems we are applying either sine formula or cosine formula. So look at question number 7. Two soldiers A and B in two different underground bunkers on a straight road. So imagine it is a straight road. Okay, there are two soldiers A and B on the two different bunkers. Okay, so distance between them is given as 5 km. Spot an intruder at the top of the kill. So assume C is the top of the kill. There is a intruder. The angle of elevation of the intruder from A is 30 degree and B is 45 degree. It is given that if A and B are 5 km apart, find the distance of the intruder from B. Distance of the intruder from B. So take it as X. So we need to find out X. So look at my dear student. So this is the diagram for the given information. Okay. So it is a straight angle. So remaining is 135 degree. So look at here. It is a triangle. So 135 plus 30, 165. So remaining this angle C is 15 degree. 180 minus 165. Okay. So question number 7. Here A and here let C be the intruder. Okay, so angle A equal to 30 degree. Okay, so we are getting angle B equal to 135 degree. So angle C equal to 15 degree, and let the distance between the intruder and B be X. We are taking that. Okay, so it is X and this is 5. Okay, so listen my dear student. So we have the sine formula. A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C. Okay, so here just opposite, it is C and this is A. So compare first and third. A by sine A equal to C by sine C. Okay, so A is X. X by sine 30 equal to what is C? 5. So 5 by again what is the angle? Sine 15 degree. So X by sine 30 equal to 5 by sine 15. So find out the value. So what is sine 30? Sine 30 is, or if you want you can cross multiply, X equal to 5 into 5 by sine 15 into sine 30. Okay. Again we need to find out sine 15 value. Sine 15 can be written as 45 minus 30. So sine 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sine 30, sine A minus B, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So if you apply here, you are getting 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2. Okay, minus 1 by what is that? 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So we are getting root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so put the value. So 5 by root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Here what we are getting, sine 30 is 1 by 2. So cancelling that values. So what we are getting, this 1 by 2 to cancel. It goes to the numerator. Sorry, not 2 root 2. So we are getting the answer 5 root 2 by root 3 minus 1 kilometer. So that is the distance between the intruder and the soldier B. Number 8 in the exercise 3.10. A researcher want to determine the width of a bond from east to west, which cannot be done by actual measurement. From a point P, he finds the distance to the easternmost point of the bond to be 8 km. So listen, my dear student, it may be a bond. They want to measure the width of the bond. Okay, so here maybe the person is standing from the point P, they are measuring. So easternmost point, it is the easternmost point, assume it is B, and the westernmost point as some A. So distance between B and A is given as 8 km. Okay, and B to P to A is given as 6 km. If the angle between the two lines of sight is 60 degree, it is given as 60 degree. Okay, find the width of the pond. They are asking AB. Okay, so it is P and it is A and it is B. Okay, so listen, my dear student, we have to apply the cosine formula. So what is cosine formula? So just rearrange it. So from this one, P square equal to, okay, so P square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos P. Okay, so we are going to apply this formula. So for that one, the diagram is more important. So let AB be the width of the bond. Okay, so given PB equal to 8 km, okay, and PA equal to 6 km, our aim is to find out AB. Okay, so use the cosine formula. So P square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos P. So here P is 60 degree. So what is that? 64, okay, plus 36, 64 plus 36 minus 2 into, what is that? 2 into 48. So cos 60 degree. So 64 plus 36, 100 minus 2 into 48 by 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, 2 cancel. So 100 minus 48. So we are getting 52. So P square equal to 52. It can be written as 4 into 13. 4 times 13. So P equal to, take the square root, 2 root 13 kilometer. So that is the answer. The width of the pond is 2 root 13 kilometer. Question number 9 in the exercise 3.10. Two Navy helicopters A and B are flying over Bay of Bengal at same altitude. So imagine the two helicopters at A and B and the same altitude. Okay, from the sea level to search a missing boat. Pilots of both helicopters sight the boat at the same time while they are apart 10 km. So here may be the boat. You can assume at some sea. Okay, so it is the boat. The distance between them is 10 km. Okay, it is initially given, and given that if the distance from the boat from A is 6 km, so boat to A is given as 6 km, and if the line segment AB subtends an angle 60 degree, the line segment AB subtends an angle 60 degree at the boat, find the distance of the boat from B. They are asking CBC. Okay, so welcome. Once again, look at here. Once again, we are going to apply the cosine formula. So obviously it is C. Okay, and it is B. Remember the general triangle ABC. Okay, angle A, B, angle B, and it is C, angle C. Opposite to is A. So B, it is the general assumption. So remember this assumption, my dear student. Okay, so we need to find out this x. Okay, so what we need to apply, that means it is nothing but, obviously it is nothing but a, so we need to find out a. Okay, let, or you can write it directly here, let ABC, okay, first let AB be the helicopters, okay, and let C be the boat, okay. So from the diagram, okay, so C equal to 10 kilometer, B equal to 6 kilometer, and angle C equal to 60 degree. Okay, so our aim is to find out A. Again cosine formula, so A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos. Okay, sorry my dear student, here only angle C is given, so we need to write in terms of C. So C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Okay, so use the known values. C is 10, so 10 square 100 equal to A square, it is the unknown value, plus 36 minus 2A, what is B? So B is 6, so 2 into 6, 12A cos 60. Okay, so 100 equal to A square plus 36 minus 12A into 1 by 2. So cancel, we are getting 6A. So change the side, A square minus 6A plus 36 minus 100 equal to 0. So A square minus 6A minus 64 equal to 0. So we can't factorize it. So apply the formula, A equal to, okay, minus B. So assume the formula, solution of a quadratic equation, minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. So A is 1, B is minus 6, C is minus 64. So 6 minus or minus 6 plus 6. So plus or minus root of 36 minus 4AC. A is 1. So minus 4 into minus 64. So plus 256. So 4 times of 64. 256 by 2. So 6 plus or minus. So what we are getting? Sum of the two. 36 plus 256. I think 292 by 2. 6 plus or minus, we got to find the square root. I think it is divisible by 4. 7 4s are 28, remaining 1. So 3 4s are 12. So it can be written as 4 into 73 by 2. So take the square root of 4 is 2. So root 73 by 2, cancel by 2. So 3 plus or minus root 73. So 3 plus root 73 kilometer, that is the answer. Okay, so 3 minus means it is negative, so distance cannot be negative. So 3 plus root 73 kilometer is the required answer. Question number 10 in the exercise 3.10. A straight tunnel is to be made through a mountain. A surveyor observes the two extremities A and B of the tunnel to be built from a point P in front of the mountain. Okay, if AP equal to 3 km, BP equal to 5 km, and angle APB equal to 120 degree, then find the length of the tunnel to be built. Okay, listen my dear student, this may be a hill, so they want to make a tunnel. So the two extremities of the tunnel is given as A and B. In front of the tunnel a surveyor is standing, so he is measuring. So given, okay, so AP sorry, AP equal to 3 kilometer, okay, and what is that next? BP equal to 5 kilometer. So angle APB is given as 120 degree, okay, so it is 5, okay, so it is nothing but B, and it is A, it is given as 3, okay. So they are asking P, okay, this angle is given as 120 degree. So this is a basic information. So our aim is to find out B. Again use the cosine formula. You can write it here. Using cosine formula we are getting P square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos P. So it is equal to, so 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, okay. So minus 2 into 3 by 15. So cos 120 degree. So what is that? 34 minus 2 into 15 into. So listen my dear student. So cos 120 means it can be as cos 90 plus 30. Cos 90 plus 30. Second quadrant cos negative. Cos 90 plus theta becomes sin theta, so sin 30. So the value is minus 1 by 2, okay. So minus 1 by 2, 2 cancel. So 34 minus into minus plus 15. So 49. P square equal to 49. P equal to plus or minus 7, but here a distance cannot be negative. So P equal to 7 kilometers. The width of the tunnel is 7 kilometers. Number 11 in the exercise 3.10. Question number 11 is, a farmer wants to purchase a triangle shaped land with sides 120 feet and 60 feet. The angle included between these two sides is 60 degree. If the land costs rupees 500 per square feet, find the amount needed to purchase the land. Also find the perimeter of the land. So assume, my dear, listen my dear student, so you want to purchase a triangular shaped land. So assume it is ABC, the triangle ABC. So assume it is the side of length to 120 feet, and assume it is the side of length 60 feet, and the angle between them is given as 60 degree, okay. Let ABC be the triangular land, okay, and let AC, that is B equal to 120 feet and BC equal to, that means A according to us 60 feet. Also angle C equal to 60 degree. So our aim is to find out the amount needed to purchase the land, given that the cost is rupees 500 per square feet. So first we need to find out the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle formula, area of the triangle in terms of C. So delta equal to half, so AB sin C. So half AB sin C. So half into, okay, 120 into 60 into sin 60. Sin 60 again, what is that? Root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So if you want, you can cancel it. So 1 times, 6 times, okay. So again, so 30. So 30 into 3 6 are 18, okay. So 1800 into root 3 square feet. So it is the area of the triangle. Our aim is to find out the cost. So amount needed to purchase equal to 500 into this answer. So 500 into 1800. Listen, root 3 is nothing but 1.732. Okay. So 1.732, my dear student. I think we have already observed the diagram. Okay. So we can get the answer easily. So here 3 decimal places. So we can leave 3 zeros. Okay. So 5 into 18 into 1732. 4 zeros are there. So we can put 1 zero. So 50 into, okay. So 50 into 18 into 1732. Okay. So if you want, I think 5 18s are 90. Okay. So what is that? So 900 into 1732. So put 2 zeros. Okay. So 9 into 2 18, remaining 1. So 27 plus 1. So 8. Okay. So again 2 remaining. 9 7s are 63. So 63 plus 2 65. Remaining 6. 199. So 9 plus 6 15. So this is the amount needed to purchase the land. Okay. Also they are asking the perimeter of the land. So already 2 sides are given. We need to find out the third side C. Again use the cosine formula. C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. So cos C is 60 degree. So A is, what is that? So 3600. Okay. So plus 12 square 14400 minus 2 into, so what is that? 60 into 120 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 2 cancel. So sum of these 2. So 0, 0, 0, remaining 1. So 7, 8. Okay. 8 and 1. So 18,000 minus 6 12s are 7200. So if we subtract, so what we get? 0, 0, 8, 0, 1. So 10,800. So we need to find out the square root. C square equal to 10,800. So we need to find out the square root. We can write this as, I think it is 100, no problem. So it is, I think 3 times of 36 is 108. So we can write this as 3 into 36 into 100. Okay, C equal to square root of 3 into 36 into 100. Okay, so 36 square root 6, 100 is 10. So 60 root 3. So C equal to 60 root 3. So the perimeter is A plus B plus C. Already A is 60 feet and B is 120. So 60 plus 120 plus 60 root 3. So we are getting 180 plus 60 root 3 feet. That is the perimeter of the triangle.